Once upon a time, in a colorful forest, I discovered a tiny door at the base of an ancient oak tree. Curiosity bubbled inside me as I knelt down to peek through the keyhole. To my surprise, I saw a bustling village of fairies. They were busy preparing for their annual flower festival, dancing and laughing as they strung glowing petals together. I couldn't resist. I knocked gently on the door. To my amazement, a fairy named Lila opened it, her wings shimmering like sunlight. She invited me in, and together we twirled around the village, tasting sweet nectar and playing games with the other fairies. That day, I learned that magic exists in friendship and adventure, and sometimes, all it takes is a little courage to find it.